how to create a Crunchyroll account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can create a Crunchyroll account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically create your Crunchyroll account, it's actually quite simple. Open up crunchyroll.com and then you'll see this type of interface. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Once you're here, just click the profile icon from the top right hand side and then click on the create account button as you can find it here. Once you click on create account link, it will take you to this page where you can simply go ahead and then basically actually enter your email address that you would like to use for your Crunchyroll account. Once you've entered your email address, the next step will require you to enter your password. So go ahead and then also enter your password. Once you have done this, click the create account button here. Once you click on create account button, it will ask you to verify your email address, right? So basically what you want to do is after you enter your password, we're basically going to go to our email here. Once you go to our email, we're going to check if we've received any sort of email from Crunchyroll over here. And once we've entered our email and password, our Crunchyroll account will get successfully created. All you have to do is now just go ahead and then basically enter the username that you would like to use. Once you've done this, click on continue to Crunchyroll and then you should be able to go ahead and then finish signing up for your Crunchyroll account. If you want, you can also join the premium. This way you'll be able to create a Crunchyroll account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.